trying out Howdy'S. Come with me, let's go see what it's like. Alright, so there's a vast menu. There's a lot of stuff on here that I can choose from. Now we've got the wings, got the sizzlers. I think I'm gonna get the surf and turf though.
Surf and turf.
Yeah.
What's in there?
It's looking juicy sirloin steak with freshly cut prawns.
Ooh.
And a creamy garlic sauce.
Ooh.
It's allergy advices, definitely. 100% beef, 100% chicken. It's halal monitored, flame grilled, and a top secret recipe from Howdy'S. Yeah, it's looking good.
Howdy.
Howdy partner.
Look at your Howdy hat.
Right after you know.
Come on, John Wayne.
It's all in door.
Hey, character, man.
How you doing? I heard you had a problem over here. Can I get a steak?
I heard that. I heard this spot got the best food in the Midwest. After a long day of gunslinging, I like to settle down for steak.
Tomahawk steak. Let's give this a try and see how it tastes. Let's go. Alright, can I get the Howdy'S sizzling special wings? That's fine.
What you eating there now, Ben?
So I've got the fish, the fried fish, sizzling grilled fish.
What else is on the plate?
Got the prawns. Good size. Good size, yeah, definitely. Give this a try. It's definitely the knife. Use your hands down and dirty.
Use it. Oh fuck.
Ooh. Good man. You see the steam coming off the start.
Yeah.
Balance more. Yeah.
Guys, so I've just finished eating from Howdy'S, tried out the food, had the starter, and the main, and terms of the starter, I'd say it's really nice. It was patchy flavour. It was an ample amount of flavours. We had the lamb chops, the chicken wings, and the fish as well, and also the king prawn. What do you guys think of it? With any good?
Yeah, but the starters were really nice. Filling. Starters, 100%. I'll give them 8 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10 for the starters.
That's the highlight for me, yes.
100%. Went for the fillet steak for me. Had like a cheese topping with like a tomato sauce. Reminded me a bit like a parmesan. Very nice, must say. You do get ample amount of food. A lot of food on the plate. Didn't finish it myself, but yeah, man, it's a bit of a challenge if you do.
So I went for the John Wayne special. A lot of meats on there, lamb, chicken tenders, chicken wings, steak. The meats were sensational. Criticism I would have would be a lot of sides. Personally, I didn't need the chips and mash and the noodles. Quite a lot on the plate, overwhelming. But could feed a family with that plate, so depends how you want to take. You could probably share that. The noodles are lacking a bit of flavour. The meats are on point. So overall, the main, I'd probably give it a with the meats. I'd give it a 6.7.
6.75. 6.5. So I'd obviously say I got the main, which was the surf and turf. Now the steak was really nice. Got it to how it done to perfection as well. And the prawns were really good. The only downside with the prawns is that it wasn't too much, but still a good meal. I definitely recommend if you will come around. Again, I'd probably rate this around about 6.5. If you're in the town doing Bradford, definitely give it a try. Yeah. All right.